Good morning, Riley Clan. So, I am on my way to my bus stop right now, as you see. So, I'll, show you on the bus. Hey guys, so right now I'm heading up to my boy's house. We're gonna go to the court. So, I'll see you at his house. Guys, look at this storm we're about to get. Like, look at these clouds. It was just sunny like that over there. But my friend was just here. We were in the pool. I'm watching Lamborghini videos inside. I had to put my net down because it might fall. And yeah, if it rains, I'm gonna come out here and record and see if I can get a little thing in the rain. So I'll maybe see you then. You guys, so as you see, it's raining right now. So I'm gonna run all the way down here, all the way down and around. Alright guys, let's go. I'm running. You hear that? I'm in the field. Alright, let's run back. Oh God. Sorry if it's like jumpy around. So guys, it's currently raining right now, as you see. So I'm gonna try and get some lightning clips, and yeah. Yo guys, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog right now. It's getting pretty dark. Cause it just rained a whole bunch, as you see. It rained a lot. See that sunset over there? So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.